So the next stage is complete, and it's all locked in now, it's all epoxied up. Managed to retain this existing part of the barrel, which is cool because it let me do a mirror image to replicate the other side. Where the major cracks were, I just removed all the timber and formed a rebate. Slowly chipped away at with a chisel and then grind back through the glue line, so we're gluing to the existing timber more than the old glue, and done 2 layers of 6mm ply. And then on the back side I'll back block it with 12mm ply between the stringers. Where these cracks are here, It was a big scarf split, so effectively a big scarf joint, and I just filled that up with epoxy, so that's super strong now. And then where the cracks are, I'll do 2 layers of glass just so the little crack line doesn't show back up through the paint. So it's all coming up pretty good. Yes, a bit more ply work to go on this side. And obviously the stem, and then we can start shaping that. A little bit tricky when it's got existing ply and that around to get the planer in, but we'll make it work. Top decks, flare of the bow, but now it's all locked in, it's just making it a whole lot easier to work on. So yeah, it's coming along good. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside up here. So this is how the ply came out. Turned out pretty tidy. Managed to retain the anchor well, which is good. And while I have access to the inside, I'll do back blocks on the splits of the bow as well with 12mm marine ply. So yeah, it's coming along. Part 4, hopefully next weekend. I'll spend next weekend on it and try and get the flare of the bow formed up. That's always a fun sort of thing to do. So yeah, part 4 coming up. Cheers.